So I got out of body and I was on too high of a frequency to observe the physical universe. So I lowered my frequency, came back to locale 1. I ended up in outer space. So I just thought about my house and I ended up back in my house. By default, I ended up in my bedroom. I was at the end of my bed. So I traveled through the wall next to me and went into my computer room. I looked at my computer monitor, it said 75, and then I looked away, looked at it again to verify, it said 75 still. Kind of felt like I was shutting off my eyes in the astral world, but I'll just describe it as looking away. So I looked away again and tried to verify it a third time, and the next time it said 77. And because the first verification overexcited me, because I knew that I was for sure in the astral world, because if you were to do this in the dream, in any dream, the symbol would change in size, color, or character. So I was obviously in the astral world if it didn't change up. It was very clear, so I got right excited, and the third verification didn't go too well. My perception was all twisted from being overexcited. So I just woke up after that and went into my computer room and I saw 15 on the screen. So that is a bit of a disappointment. But symbolically, 15 is actually pretty close to 75, especially in a serif font, which I was using. Well, it's kind of serify, I don't really know. But I was using Arial at the time. And if you take a look at it, the 1 looks kind of like a 7, or it can be easily mistaken for a 7 in the astral world. So you can see that the 1 has a huge serif on it, and I perceived this curl as a 7. That's probably what happened, because I was way too close to my monitor. So now that I've done this once, I know that for the third verification I need to not be excited. I need to back away from the monitor a bit, because I was so close to the computer screen, to my primary screen, that I could only see the screen. I couldn't see anything behind it. Like, it was filling up my entire field, my entire peripheral. So in locale 1, you pretty much have a peripheral vision. You're not going to be able to feel things in 360 degrees unless you do a lot of work on your astral body in that locale, from what I can tell. But it was too close, basically, and I just misperceived the size of this curl or something, and I'll try to get it right next time. But yeah, I'm going to continue doing this. This is a screensaver, so it opens up every time I leave my computer, so I can do it whenever I want, and I'll continue to log every success and failure that I have with interpreting these randomly generated numbers. Anyways, I hope you found any of this interesting. See you next video.